Yeah, this week GBPUSD Technical Analysis. So yeah, I can take sorry. Yeah, maybe it will give small correction. It will go up and come back, and it will go up. So initially it will go up. Actually, this one GBPUSD is good for expanding flat. You know, we can form like expanding flat. If initially maybe can from here it will go up, then from there it will come down and it will go up from there. Once you reach this zone, this area you can look for buy setup. If any correction, something slowly, initially if you go a little bit up, no scare actually, it will give expanding flat, then it will fall from here, it will give some correction or impulsively, then it will go up again. Okay, thank you.